Hello, hi everyone, TJ here, and in this video we're going to go over the creation of the GitHub account. That's pretty much where all your code is going to live. So that's where you're going to commit the code. You know, these are some of the apps that I kind of mentioned at the intro, the intro video at the beginning. Here's the color match game. It's actually, I found it in color match game in a Streamlit app, and the code works here. So as you can see, when you select the right color, it actually keeps track of your success score. In my initial video, it was not working. It's probably related to the dependencies or something that was outdated. But in this case, this is in the cloud right now. You can actually go here to color-match-game at Streamlit.app, which is the cloud version for you to be able to deploy Streamlit apps, which is what we're going to build right now, or in this course. But again, this is working now. And as you can see here, this is the repo for this specific application. This is the code. So everything is there. There's an error. It keeps the score, etc., etc. It also has the README instructions, what you need to do, what it does, the features, how to install it, the dependencies to be installed, and how to run it. So here, you're going to be able to create your own repo, push your own app, and have it available for anyone that wants to clone it, use it, and just for you to keep track of the stuff in the future. So I'm just going to go back to Streamlit. This is going to be pretty fast video, just because you just have to go to, I'm just going to close this out, to go to GitHub. I'm not going to create it, but again, this is going to be as simple as possible. You're going to go to github.com. You're going to do sign up, and then you're going to enter your email, your password, and your username. You're going to continue. And in this case, you're going to get an email verification and perhaps a two-step validation for you to be able to log into the app. You can actually download it in your phone. So I'm just going to go here. But again, I don't want to create another dummy account if I'm not going to use it. But you can have you cannot really see it, but you can have your download your app, and you can actually have your repos and access it through here as well. Okay. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.